What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the very next episode of Hui Fishing. Today is my first time ever going fly fishing for wild trout.
We're getting really good.
Wow, this is a much better spot. Is that usually the best plan?
Well, so they always sit at the bottom of the tail out looking upstream.
Oh,
right?
yes, that's right.
So if you're catching them from the bottom, then you're not spooking the ones that are in front of them.
Oh, that makes sense.
Where if you hook a big one up here where there likely is one,
Yeah.
it'll spook all the other fish behind it.
And it's like also when you're fishing, like if you're working way up, you don't want to hit the very top of that eddy. You want to cast at the bottom of the eddy first and work those fish, because if you go straight to the very top and catch one there,
Yeah.
you're going to possibly spook the other fish that are in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, makes sense.
You want to slowly work up the eddies.
Yeah. Oh, and they snake onto branches. And I better not wipe out in the water. There's a floating backpack, so I'll be floating face down. As a novice fly angler, I knew I had a lot to learn, but I was eager to hit the river and try my hand at targeting wild fish. The early season presented its own challenges, with some areas still ice covered and the water cold. But I was prepared, luckily, with my Sims waders and long thermal underwear, ready to tackle any obstacle.
So like when you're pitching in the current, right? Like you'll take it and you'll pitch like where the bubbles are going down.
Yeah.
And the fish, they're going to be sitting on the inside. So you almost take it when you're streamer fishing, and you take it and you swing it in. I got a spot where I want you to try.
Okay.
If there, there's got to be a fish in it.
Where is
Here,
it?
let me just show.
Yes.
I won't fish the spot. I'll let you fish the spot, but I'll just kind of show you.
Okay.
So get it out, and then just start stripping it, and then like pulsate it, like
Okay.
1, 1, 2. Keep it erratic, right?
Yeah.
And then sometimes if you go 1, you can like twitch it with your rod.
Yeah.
Get it there like that. You just take it, boom, boom, twitch. Sometimes you can just like that. The water should be, they might be aggressive, they might not. And then other times when you're going slow, it'll be just kind of like that.
Okay.
Long pause, long strip, pause, and then maybe little taps, like long. Ooh. I think I had a hit. But yeah, what we're gonna do, you see that water right there?
Yeah.
You're gonna position yourself right here, like just on the edge of that water right here.
Yeah.
See where that slack water is?
Yeah.
Pitch it out there, and then you're gonna rip it up the side of that back.
From there.
Yeah.
Okay. Doable. Doable. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah. Careful, that's the people there. Like even here, sometimes you'd be a good spot. But so like, you come here, position yourself right here.
Yeah.
Straighten that foam, pitch it out straight, and then mend it so that you're on top of that eddy and try and rip it up, or even aim for that foam.
Okay.
And then let it sink a bit and just start ripping it in. Oh, you're on a tree. That's where you want to go, to the right a bit. Come this way a bit more.
Okay.
This way. Yeah, there you go. Now cast straight for that foam. That foam under that big log.
Whoop.
There you go, yeah. Okay, give it a sec. Okay, pull it in.
As we set out on our adventure, I was a little rough with my fly casting, but with some patience, a little bit of practice, and a great fly fishing coach, I was able to get my rhythm again. We trekked along the shoreline and down the river, searching for those deep holes and log jams where the fish might like to hide. Even though we heard rumors of fish in the area, my friend Jason suspected that we may have been a little bit too early and the fish haven't migrated there yet. Despite the uncertainty, we all still persisted using our polarized sunglasses to peer in the water. It was quite clear in certain areas, a little bit murky in some, and we scouted for fish. We tried every technique, various techniques actually, and locations. We hiked for, I don't know, what felt like many kilometers, but after 5 hours, I didn't catch anything. However, I wasn't really discouraged because I knew that this was all part of the learning process. I used a $15 sink tip line, which I bought on Amazon, and I attached it on my float line that I had already spooled onto my reel. It was, I believe, called the Maxcatch fly line, which did cast nicely. And I was pretty happy with my purchase, which was only $15. And I was able to get my fly where I wanted it. I was using streamers tied from my friend Jason, which he referred to as the meat. What is chucking the meat and fly terms anyways? Yeah. How thick is it around? Not very.
No, once you get onto that wider stuff, so if you keep walking that way, keep walking. I keep walking towards me. You'll probably fall through that section, but the next section is fine.
How heavy are you?
I'm like 180. Come on, with me.
Woo!
I wouldn't step on this part. As you stated, the cat could not go down with your ship.
Oh, you're going down? How deep is it?
I don't know. Let's see if I lean back on it.
Fish is... Oh! It's been a really slow day. I'm getting my fly casting down again. Unfortunately, there's not much for fish at the moment. It's now 12:30. I think I started around about 10 o'clock. So far nothing yet, but hopefully we'll get something soon. Oh, this thing's busting up. This is risky. I'm still alive. All right. As the day progressed, the sun came out and the weather was perfect for being out in the river. Even though I had cut my trip short because of family commitments, the experience was invaluable. I felt a sense of accomplishment. Even though I didn't catch anything, just knowing I was out there, pushing myself to learn and improve, it was all worth it. So to all the new fly anglers out there, don't be discouraged if you don't catch anything on any of your first few outings or whichever outing you go on. Like, it could be your 10th trip or 100th trip. Just don't ever get discouraged. Remember that every experience on the river is a learning opportunity, and with patience, practice, and willingness to learn new things, you'll become more skilled. And yeah, just keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows what kind of fish you might catch next. And that's pretty much it. So if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and we will see you next time.
Now how are you gonna get down?
Me? I'll just ride it to the car. I'm sure I'll be fine.
Man, you should troll a fly all the way down.
Canada.